Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akshara. If you are new to my channel, just do subscribe. And before going into the video, let me tell you one thing. Today I'm going to discuss Black Book of English Vocabulary, which was written by Nikhil Gupta, and I'm going to tell you one word substitutions which are top 200. In part 1, 100 questions are discussed. The word panacea means a solution for all difficulties or diseases. An inscription on a tombstone in the memory of the person who has died is known as epitaph. And something which is no longer in use is called obsolete. Stoic means a person who can endure pain or hardship without showing his feelings or complaining. So, stoic also has another meaning. It means indifferent to pains and pleasures of life. They just remain neutral all the time. Next, someone who makes charitable donations intended to increase human well being. Such kind of person is known as altruist. So they don't expect anything from anyone in return. They just do make charitable donations to the people who are in need. Next, an extreme fear of being in a small confined place. So it is claustrophobia. Next, handwriting which is difficult or impossible to read. Illegible. Inaudible is something that cannot be heard. Next, a person who helps another to commit a crime or to do something morally wrong, or a partner in crime. Here, a partner in crime is not something we actually tag our friends as a crime partner. Here, it is truly a morally wrong things does by a person and a person helping the criminal. Such kind of person who help another person to commit a crime is called as accomplice. And next, one who is difficult to please is called fastidious. Here, ambidextrous means able to use the left hand and right hand equally well. So such kind of people can use their both hands equally in terms of their working, in terms of their writing, drawing, whatever they do with their both hands. Hard but easily broken or liable to break easily. Such kind of things are called as brittle. Next, a person who eats human flesh is called cannibal. A person employed to drive a private or hired car is called chauffeur. Belonging to the same time, a person living in the same age with another is called as contemporary. A person who leaves his country to live in another is called as emigrant. For example, now in Afghanistan, people migrate from Afghanistan to India and other parts of Asian countries. To free somebody from all blame is called as exonerate. For example, a person is blamed for a crime which is not committed by him, and finally he was free from all the blame that he has bared since a long time. The process of freeing somebody from all the blame is called as exonerate. Next, a speech or a presentation made without previous preparation. This mostly happens in our college days that some colleagues or some friends of ours actually calls us up onto the stage and tells us to present a speech on the spot. So such kind of presentation of speech without any previous preparation is called as extempore. An animal that lives in groups and or tending to associate with others of one's kind is called as gregarious. Here, elephants are example of gregarious. And next, one who is easily deceived. Deceived is nothing but cheating. So one who is easily cheated is known as gullible. Every gang has a gullible who can be easily cheated by others. So one who cannot be corrected or one who is beyond reform is called as incorrigible. It is not encourage, it is incorrigible. And next, something that cannot be avoided, it is inevitable. So for example, we can't avoid our death, so it is an inevitable act. And the one who cannot make mistake are called as infallible. Such kind of person do not actually exist, but they only exist in our imagination. Such kind of persons are known as infallible. And a person who writes and edits dictionaries is known as lexicographer. A person who dislikes women is known as misogynist. Here, the word notorious means well known for being bad or a person of evil reputation. Next, to give up one's authority or throne is known as abdicate. Next, animals that can live on land and water is known as amphibians. We all know that in our school age. A situation in a country or an organization, etc., in which there is no government or order or control. It is known as anarchy. And the study of human history and prehistory through the excavation of sites is known as archaeology. For example, Indus Valley civilization was known for us through archaeologists who was conducted excavations. Next, an account of a person's life written by self. It is autobiography. A place where birds are kept, aviary. And here I mention another one word substitution. It is a place where bees are kept is known as apiary and birds are kept in aviary. Bibliophile, it means a person who is a great lover of books. For example, my father loves to read books a lot. We have a mini library in our home as well. So he is a kind of bibliophile. Blasphemy means the words uttered impiously about God or the act of speaking irrelevantly about God or sacred things. Here the word impiously means disrespect about God. And the arrangement of events or dates in order of their occurrence is known as chronology. A short speech at the end of a play is known as epilogue. And the one who eats too much is known as glutton. Holding an office without receiving a pay is a kind of voluntary action. Such kind of action is known as honorary. Extreme fear of water is known as hydrophobia. A person who suffers from an imaginary illness or a person who is abnormally anxious about his health is known as hypochondriac. A person who cannot read or write is an illiterate. That which cannot be satisfied is insatiable. One who dies without a will is known as intestate. A plan of a journey, including the route and the place that you visit, is known as itinerary. Giving undue favors to one's own kith and kin is nepotism. So, the government or a rule by a small group of people is known as oligarchy. For example, Taliban was started with a small group of people in Afghanistan. Such kind of rule is known as oligarchy. And that through which light cannot pass is known as opaque. There are the substances which are opaque in which the light cannot pass through it. And a person who collects or studies stamps is known as philatelist. And violation of something holy or sacred is known as sacrilege. The period between the beginning of puberty and adulthood is known as adolescence. So, in between the childhood and adulthood, we called as a teenage or youth or youngster. That period is known as adolescence. Next, a list of items to be discussed at a meeting is known as agenda. For example, if we are going to attend a meeting, we just note some of the important points we would like to speak during the meeting. So that is the main agenda of this meeting. Such kind of items are known as agenda. And a partial or total loss of memory is known as amnesia. An official pardon or the formal act of liberating someone. Amnesty. The date on which an event happened in some previous year. Anniversary. A glass tank where fish and water plants are kept. Aquarium. A large body of water with many islands. Archipelago. The place where public, government or historical records are kept. Archives. A government by the nobles or the government by person of highest social order. It is aristocracy. And the person who denies oneself ordinary bodily pleasures is known as ascetic. They are the sages or spiritual personalities who are said to be ascetic personalities. They just leave all the bodily pleasures, it means worldly pleasures, and they are in search of soully pleasures. A person who does not believe in God is known as atheist. And animals that eat meat are called carnivorous. A person who draws or makes maps is known as cartographer. We usually find a catalog in libraries. It means a complete list of books. And one who plans the steps and moves in a dance is known as choreographer. An assembly of worshippers or a gathering at a religious place or a group of people who have come together in a religious building for worship and prayer is known as congregation. A man who knows a lot about things like food, music, and art is known as connoisseur. A man who is recovering from illness is known as convalescent. A person who readily believes others easily is known as credulous. There is a person in every gang that who easily believes others, who easily trusts others without any effort is known as credulous personality. The scientific study of skin diseases is known as dermatology. And a man behaving more like a woman than as a man is known as effeminate. A poem that expresses lament for the dead is known as elegy. You will get a clear idea on elegy if you are an English literature student. And an act of misappropriation of money is known as embezzlement. Here, the study of insects is called as entomology. Bringing about gentle and painless death from incurable disease is known as euthanasia. It is a kind of painless killing of someone who is suffering with an incurable disease or a painful disease. Causing or ending in death is known as fatal. And the murder of a whole race or a group of people is known as genocide. A person pretending to be somebody he isn't is called hypocrite. Incapable of being approached, inaccessible. That which cannot be believed, incredible. Incapable of feeling tired or exhausted, indefatigable. The condition of being unable to sleep. Especially in this generation, a lot of people are suffering with insomnia. It means a condition of which people are unable to sleep. That which cannot be called back is known as irrevocable. For examples, the word we have spoken was irrevocable. A person with strong desire to steal is known as kleptomania. A soldier who will fight for any country or group that offers payment is known as mercenary. A person who hates and avoids other people is known as misanthrope. Philanthropist is a person who likes mankind, and misanthrope means who hates mankind. Monarchy means a system of government by a king or a queen. Oligarchy means a country is ruled by a group of people. Here, monarchy means a system of government by which ruled by a king or a queen. A person or a thing that has the same name as another. It means namesake. A person who collects coins is known as numismatist. A geometrical figure with 8 sides is called as octagon. One who sees bright side of things is called optimist. A person who opposes war or use of military force is known as pacifist. The greatest example of pacifist was M.K. Gandhi. One who loves all mankind and someone who freely gives money and help to people who need it. Philanthropist. We just discussed about philanthropist in the past slide. A person who knows and is able to use several languages is called polyglot. A person very reserved in speech, reticent. Who can't speak much are called as reticent. Government not connected with religious or spiritual matters is called as secular government. A large number of fish swimming together is shoal. An office with high salary but no work is sinecure. Someone who walks about in sleep, somnambulist. A person who never takes alcoholic drinks is teetotaler. And finally, found all over the world is called universal. So that is all about top 200 one word substitutions part 1, and I will come back with part 2, which means the rest of 100 one-word substitutions which are in Black Book of English Vocabulary. Until then, keep watching Akshara's Perspective and don't forget to subscribe.